Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Hey, so I'm looking at these two espresso machines, the Breville Barista Touch and the DeLonghi Dinamica. Both seem pretty fancy, right?
Yeah, I've glanced at them too. What are you leaning towards?
Well, the Breville has that touch screen, which seems super user-friendly, and it heats up in like 3 seconds. That's impressive.
True, the thermojet heating is quick. But the DeLonghi, it's a super-automatic, meaning it handles basically everything from bean to cup with minimal fuss. It even does iced coffee.
I saw that about the iced coffee. Good point. The Breville, though, boasts precise temperature control, PID, which sounds like it matters for getting a good extraction.
Definitely a plus for the Breville. But the DeLonghi has a manual frother, so you can get your latte art on, and it's a bit lighter.
The Breville has an automatic steam wand for milk texturing, so that's pretty sweet too. And you can save like 8 custom coffee settings.
Oh, customizable settings are fantastic. What about grinders? Both have built-in burr grinders, right?
Yep, both have conical burr grinders. The Breville's grinder has dose control, delivering the right amount of coffee on demand.
The DeLonghi also grinds the perfect amount but leaves no residue in the brew unit, making it really fresh. One thing I like about the DeLonghi is the easy cleanup. The drip tray is dishwasher safe.
Good point about cleanup. The Breville comes with a cleaning kit, but dishwasher safe is always a win. How about size?
The DeLonghi is a bit bigger in width and height, but shorter in depth. The Breville is 21.8 pounds, while the DeLonghi is heavier at 24.9 pounds.
Ah, so the DeLonghi is a bit more of a countertop commitment, and the Breville has a slightly better rating, 4.4 versus 4.1.
True, but the DeLonghi is an Amazon's Choice product, which might mean something to some people. It really depends on what you value most. Quick heat up and customization, or full automation and easy cleanup.
So if I'm lazy and want iced coffee, DeLonghi. If I want more control, customizability, and a slightly better rating, Breville. Got it. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.